What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today I am doing an unboxing of a 30-pound bucket of lip gloss base. So yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I usually get the 3.5 pounds, and I think I bought like maybe 21 pounds of that, and it went fast. So I was like, I might as well just go ahead and get the bucket, and I did. So here it is. And I ordered it on a Friday and it came Thursday, but today is actually Memorial Day. So I have to go ahead and do this video because I actually need this base, because I got some wholesale orders that I need to do today. So are y'all ready? Y'all ready?
2 hours later.
Put your blanket. Alrighty, it's open. You gonna let mommy open it? Want mommy to wait?
3 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back. If you are a mother, y'all already know when them kids come, when they say stop, you gotta stop. Now I gotta stop again.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all, let's try this again. I had hubby take Jordan upstairs, so let me get straight to the point real quick, like, because she gonna be wanting to come back down here. So I usually get my base from TKB Trading, and if y'all don't know, like, it's $525 for their bucket of base, but they used to have free shipping, so you know that was cool. But now you have to pay for shipping, a whole nother level. But this one I got from No Problema. They are a company on Etsy. Their bucket was $490, free shipping, but you gotta pay taxes. So it came up to be, I'm thinking it came up to be $530. Let's see. Let me see y'all the exact price. Let me get my invoice. Okay, so it was $490. Had to pay taxes. So my taxes was like $33. So it came up to be $523.08. So it was cheaper than TKB. And this is my first time using their base. I will come back and tell y'all my thoughts and stuff. But like I said, I got orders to do today, and I probably got this much base left of my TKB. So I need this. So that's why I'm doing this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I'll show y'all the inside. So that's what it looks like. So again, I will come back and let y'all know how I feel about it. I also recorded a rose lip oil with gold flakes. Yeah, I don't know when these videos coming out because these wholesale orders got your girl busy. I got that video, I got my nails done, so I got a nail vlog, and it's actually different because it's not my normal setup because they have the glass and all that stuff. So I got that video, and then I'm also gonna sit down and give y'all tips and stuff about how I started, like our business, how I got into wholesale and all that stuff. So just stay tuned, and also don't forget, once we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a wholesale order. I'm going to do 30 pre-filled lip glosses to the winner. All you have to do is be subscribed and watch. When we hit 5,000, I'll announce on what else to do. And then I'm going to give away a lip gloss kit on our Instagram page. And that comes with a 8-ounce bag of gloss base, which is oil infused, syringe, pipettes, the tubes. And I think I'm gonna do wand and squeeze. And then it also comes with the scent and the pigment. And once we reach 1,000 followers on there, I'll announce on when we're gonna do the giveaway and how long and what you have to do. So just stay tuned, and thank y'all so much for tuning in, subscribing, watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We're gonna come back and do like a family vlog. It's been a long time, but our schedules are just so conflicting. Like my husband works 12-hour nights. I'm home all day. I get to work from home. So when he has days off, he has to help me do wholesale, and I kind of push YouTube to the back burner. But I'm coming back, I promise, because we was on it. We was pumping them videos out back to back, and I just lost the sauce. But I hear Jordan crying. I'm gonna end this video right now. I'll see y'all later. Peace.